Hello and welcome back to our channel. In today's video, we'll be discussing the nervous system and how the brain communicates with the nervous system. The nervous system is one of the most complex and essential systems in our body, responsible for controlling and coordinating all of our body's functions. The nervous system is divided into two primary parts, the central nervous system, CNS, and the peripheral nervous system, PNS. The CNS consists of the brain and spinal cord, while the PNS is composed of all the nerves that connect the CNS to the rest of the body. The nervous system functions by sending electrical signals, called nerve impulses, throughout the body. These signals are sent by specialized cells called neurons. Neurons have a unique structure that enables them to transmit these electrical signals over long distances, allowing the nervous system to communicate with different parts of the body. Let's now take a closer look at how the brain communicates with the nervous system. The brain is the control center of the nervous system and is responsible for receiving, processing, and interpreting information from the environment. It then sends out signals to different parts of the body, enabling us to move, think, and perform various activities. To communicate with the rest of the body, the brain uses a network of neurons and specialized cells called glia. The brain contains billions of neurons that are arranged in intricate patterns, forming a complex network of communication pathways. When a neuron is activated, it sends out an electrical signal, called an action potential. This signal travels down the neuron's axon until it reaches the end of the neuron, where it triggers the release of chemicals called neurotransmitters. Neurotransmitters are chemicals that carry signals between neurons. They bind to receptors on the surface of other neurons, triggering a response that either excites or inhibits the receiving neuron. This process allows the brain to communicate with different parts of the nervous system, enabling us to perceive, process, and respond to information from the environment. There are many different neurotransmitters in the brain, each with its unique functions. For example, dopamine is a neurotransmitter that is involved in regulating movement, motivation, and reward. Serotonin is a neurotransmitter that is involved in regulating mood, appetite, and sleep. The nervous system is incredibly complex, and there are many different factors that can affect its function. For example, certain drugs can interfere with neurotransmitter function, leading to changes in mood, behavior, and perception. Similarly, damage to the brain or nervous system can lead to a variety of neurological disorders, such as Parkinson's disease or multiple sclerosis. You can improve the function of the nervous system with the help of diet and exercise. A healthy diet and regular exercise can have a positive impact on the nervous system by improving blood flow to the brain, promoting the growth of new neurons, and reducing inflammation. First, let's talk about the impact of diet on the nervous system. Eating a balanced diet that is rich in essential nutrients, such as omega-3 fatty acids, vitamins B and D, and antioxidants, can support the health of the nervous system. These nutrients help to protect the neurons and other cells in the nervous system from damage and promote their growth and repair. Omega-3 fatty acids, for example, are essential for the development and maintenance of the nervous system. They are found in fatty fish, nuts, and seeds and have been shown to improve cognitive function and reduce the risk of neurological disorders such as Alzheimer's disease and multiple sclerosis. Vitamins B and D are also important for the health of the nervous system. Vitamin B12, in particular, is essential for the production of myelin, a protective covering that surrounds the neurons and helps to transmit signals more efficiently. Vitamin D, on the other hand, has been shown to promote the growth of new neurons and protect against cognitive decline. Antioxidants, such as vitamin C and E, can help to protect the nervous system from damage caused by free radicals, which are unstable molecules that can cause inflammation and oxidative stress. These antioxidants are found in fruits, vegetables, and whole grains and can help to reduce the risk of neurodegenerative diseases such as Parkinson's and Alzheimer's. Now, let's talk about the impact of exercise on the nervous system. Regular exercise has been shown to improve cognitive function, increase blood flow to the brain, and promote the growth of new neurons. Exercise also reduces inflammation and oxidative stress, which can damage the nervous system. Aerobic exercise, such as running or cycling, has been shown to improve cognitive function and memory by increasing blood flow to the brain and promoting the growth of new neurons. Strength training has also been shown to have a positive impact on the nervous system by increasing muscle mass and improving balance and coordination, which can reduce the risk of falls and injuries. In conclusion, the nervous system is a complex and essential system that enables us to move, think, and perform various activities. The brain communicates with the nervous system through a network of neurons and neurotransmitters, allowing us to perceive, process, and respond to information from the environment. Understanding how the nervous system functions can help us to appreciate the complexity of the human body and the importance of taking care of our health. A healthy diet and regular exercise can have a positive impact on the nervous system by promoting the growth of new neurons, improving cognitive function, and reducing inflammation and oxidative stress. Eating a balanced diet that is rich in essential nutrients and engaging in regular aerobic and strength training exercises can help to support the health of the nervous system and reduce the risk of neurological disorders. If you enjoyed today's video and want to see more content like this in the future, don't forget to subscribe to our channel. By subscribing, you'll be the first to know when we upload new videos and you'll never miss an opportunity to learn something new about the amazing world of science and health. So hit that subscribe button and we'll see you in the next one.